Assalamu alaikum, greetings my beautiful family. We have a simple recipe, simple recipes ever. We have some plantain. We are going to prepare our plantain. We will be pairing our plantain with beans, our leftover beans. So stay tuned and watch this video until the end. For the new viewers, you are highly welcome. The returning ones, we really appreciate for the love. Please continue supporting your girl so that the channel grows. Plantain paired with beans. Yes, I know many people know plantain is a side dish, but plantain is also another recipe. It's not a side dish. There are many ways of preparing this recipe. You can pound your plantain. Nigerians, Ghanaians, Congolese, they know this recipe of pounding. So you can cook it the way it is, or you peel it as we are going to peel our plantain, and we boil. After boiling, we will be pairing our plantain with beans. Another way of cooking plantain is deep frying. You can deep fry or bake your plantain. So let's cook our dinner and enjoy the recipe. You give it a like, you share, you subscribe, you comment with sweet comments. Let's prepare our dinner. So this is our plantain. Our dinner is, we are going to prepare our dinner, please. A healthy dinner, simple. This one is so our plantain is now, we are done with peeling. Let's cook our dinner, please. Boiled plantain and our leftover beans. Let's prepare our dinner. This is rice. We are going to prepare some rice. Plantain is here cooking. This is rice water. We are going to boil rice also. So our plantain is ready. So our rice is also here cooking. Our leftover beans are here. Let's warm our beans. Here is our beans, please. We're just warming our beans. And while our plantain is here also ready, our rice. Stay tuned. Let's watch this video until the end. Dinner time. African Flavor Habib Kitchen. Simple recipe, delicious recipes on this channel. Thank you for staying with us. Thank you for watching. Our dinner is now ready. We are going to enjoy our dinner. Simple dinner for the day. Simple dinner for the family. For the new viewers, please come, we enjoy our dinner. Our dinner is now ready. Here is what we are going to enjoy. We always have simple recipes on this channel, please. Let's enjoy our dinner. We have our leftover beans. Yes. Warm your beans. Excuse me. Warm your leftover stew. And enjoy your day. Good. So see you after grabbing our meals. Let's subscribe. Let's give the video like. You share our video please with a friend. See you after grabbing our meals. Bye bye.